Litigation for long-term disability benefits can be challenging under any circumstances. But one factor in particular that can make things even more challenging is what standard of review the court uses to decide the case. Hi, I'm Leah Small, supervising attorney at Chisholm Kilpatrick. In this video, I'll be explaining the standard of review in ERISA-governed long-term disability litigation. Before we start, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more LCD content. Also, if you need help with your long-term disability claim, you can contact us at any time for a free case evaluation with a member of our team. So what is a standard of review? A standard of review in an LTD case refers to the amount of deference a court will give to the insurance company's decision to deny benefits. In other words, it dictates how the court will review the claim during litigation. There are two standards of review that LTD claimants should be aware of. They are the de novo standard and the arbitrary and capricious standard, which is also known as the abuse of discretion standard. Now, when many people think about ERISA litigation, they may initially assume that the arbitrary and capricious standard will apply due to its widespread use in ERISA claims. However, de novo review is actually the presumptive standard in ERISA cases. Under the arbitrary and capricious standard, the court would only need to decide whether the insurer had a reasonable basis for denying the claim. They do not decide whether the decision was right or wrong. Insurance companies obviously prefer this standard because it typically benefits them. On the other hand, de novo means from the new. This means that the court will look at the LTD claim as if for the first time and decide whether the decision to deny benefits was right or wrong. The court does not give deference to the insurance company. Thus, in these situations, neither side has an advantage. Even though the de novo standard is the presumptive standard for ERISA-governed cases, many claimants will not receive it. This is because of a landmark case from 1989 known as Firestone Tire and Rubber Co. v. Brook. In that case, the court decided that an ERISA case should be reviewed under de novo standard except when the policy gives the plan fiduciary discretionary authority. This means that while LC denial should be reviewed under de novo standard, if the benefit plan includes language that gives the insurance company discretionary authority, then the standard shifts to arbitrary and capricious. As a result, most insurance companies include a clause within their LTD policies that give them this discretionary authority. For example, an insurance policy may include language such as benefits under this plan will be paid only if the plan administrator decides in its discretion that the applicant is entitled to them. However, it's important to note that not all states allow the use of discretionary clauses in insurance policies. In states that disallow this type of language, insurance companies cannot include it in their policies, and if it is included, it may be considered invalid in litigation in that state. Some states that ban such language include Rhode Island, California, and Texas. If it becomes necessary to satisfy an arbitrary and capricious standard, litigants will find it difficult but not impossible. There are instances where a court will find that an insurance company did not have a reasonable basis for denying a claim. For example, an insurer may deny a claim without properly reviewing a claimant's comprehensive medical evidence, and instead base the denial solely on a brief review by their own physician that did not consider all of that evidence. In such a case, the claimant may be able to prove that their insurer did not have a reasonable basis for the claim denial. If you need help with your LTD claim, reach out to us today for a free case evaluation with a member of our team. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, be sure to leave a comment below. Thank you.